Good morning, children. Welcome to our EBS class. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson, healthy habits. Healthy habits. Open your EBS reader, page number 41, and start to read with me. Did you open it? Come, let us read. 7. Healthy habits. 7. Healthy habits. A habit is formed when you do the same activity again and again. Good habits keep us healthy. Here are some good habits you all must develop. Number 1, you must follow regular toilet times. Number 2, you must use a handkerchief to wipe your nose when you sneeze, cough or yawn. Number 3, you must drink milk, eat green vegetables and fruits, and drink lots of water. Number 4, you must be careful while buying food from outside. You should never buy cut fruits. Number 5, you must exercise regularly. Number 6, you must wake up early and go to bed on time. Okay, children. What is the lesson name? Healthy habits. A habit. What is habit? A habit is formed when you do the same activity again and again. Means when you do your work again and again, it is formed a activity. Good habits keep us healthy. Always you should do follow a good habits because good habits keeps us healthy. Here are some good habits you all must develop. Now we will see what are the good habits you must follow regularly. Okay. Number 1, you must follow regular toilet times. You must follow regular toilet times. Means every day you should follow the same toilet time. Number 2, you must use a handkerchief to wipe your nose when you sneeze, cough or yawn. Repeat, you must use a handkerchief. Say the word again, handkerchief to wipe your nose when you sneeze, cough or yawn. When you sneeze your nose means when you clean your nose or you want to make cough or you want to yawn, always you should use handkerchief or wipe or tissue with your hand. Okay, you want to close your nose and mouth with the help of tissue or handkerchief, and then you want to sneeze or cough, whatever you want to do with your nose, because if you did not close your mouth and nose, who are near you, they also will get infected. Number 3, you must drink milk, eat green vegetables and fruits, and drink lots of water. You must drink milk, eat green vegetables and fruits, and drinks lot of water because this things keeps you healthy. Number 4, you must be careful while buying food from outside. You should never buy cut fruits. See, when you are buying food from outside, you should be very careful. Always you should buy fresh food, okay? And don't buy opened and cut fruits and vegetables. Number 5, you must exercise regularly. Number 6, you must wake up early and go to bed on time. Means you want to wake up early and go to the bed on correct time. Don't go to the bed late night. Okay, children. Did you understand the lesson and you understand what is the healthy habit you should follow every day? Come, we will go to the topic. Put right or wrong. Number 1, we should keep our nails clean. Correct. We should keep our nails clean. Right. Number 2, go to bed in the late night. Go to bed in the late night. Wrong. Number 3, we should wear clean clothes. We should wear clean clothes. Right. Number 4, you can have your meals anytime. You can have your meals anytime. Wrong. Number 5, exercise and rest keeps our body fit. Exercise and rest keeps our body fit. Right. Next, encircle the correct answer. Encircle the correct answer. Number 1, we should take a bath dash. A, daily. B, monthly. You should take a bath daily or monthly one time, children? Answer, daily. We should take a bath daily. Number 2, throw the waste paper in the dash. A, cupboard. B, dustbin. You want to throw the waste paper in the dustbin. So, number 2, throw the waste papers in the dustbin. Number 3, brush your teeth dash. Once in a week, twice in a day. Always you want to brush twice in a day, morning and night. So answer, twice in a day. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Number 4, reach school dash in any time, in time. Reach school in A, in time. B, any time. What is the answer? In time. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.